Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to create our first mapping in ODI to LC. So let me just explain the scenario. So what we are going to do, we are going to read the source underscore product.csv file which is located here in this particular directory. Let me just open this file. So in this particular file I have product ID, product name, country, city, sales, quantity, discount and profit. So what we are going to do, we are going to convert this product underscore name to uppercase. Then we have this country field. So what we are going to do, we are going to represent this country field in the form of abbreviation. For United States, we are going to represent it USA. For United Kingdom, it should be UK. For Australia, it should be AUS. So what about this city field? So in this particular city field, we have some blank values. So we will replace blank values with n/a. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. But first we need to log in into my target table. So we are going to read data from this local directory. From this directory, then we are going to transform our data. After transformation, we are going to load our data in our target table. So what is the name of target table? So this is going to be the name of target table. Create table, this trg underscore product is going to be the name of my target table. So first of all, let me just log in into this user, target user. Okay. So plus sign, connection. I need to create a target user. Okay, this user. So this user is already created. I'm just going to log in into my user. Okay. Username is this. Password is admin123 is the password. Okay. Service name is ORCL is the service name. Test success. Status is success. Connect. So now I'm connected to my target user, which is target underscore product underscore ds. Now here I'm going to execute this command. I will create a new table. So this is going to be my target table in which I'm going to load my data. So create table. Table has been created. For safe side, perform this commit operation. Always perform this commit operation. Okay. Now let me just execute the select statement here. Okay. So right now there is no data in my table. Now what we are going to do next, we are going to create a data server for this local directory. Okay. So for this target for this target table local directory, the data server is already created. Let me show you the data server for my target table. So this is the user. Okay, target user, target underscore product underscore ds, which is already created. Now I need to create a data server for local directory. Okay. Now first of all, since I'm going to read a file, so I will click this technology. I will select the file technology, right click, new data server. Okay. So I'm going to provide the name of data server. Name of data server will be file underscore ds underscore production underscore ds. JDBC, no need to provide this JDBC connection. Okay. Only provide the name. No need to provide the username and password. Just save this. Okay. So this has been created. Next, I'm going to create a physical schema. So in the directory here, in this particular directory, I'm going to provide the path here, complete path, directory path. So I'm going to provide the path here. Also here I'm going to provide the same path. Okay, save this. Physical schema has been created. So from this particular directory, I'm going to read a file. Okay. Now after this, I'm going to create the logical architecture. Technology, file, right click, new logical schema. I need to create the logical schema. So name of logical schema will be file underscore, I will name it production prod underscore ls. Production is the context, physical schema is the, so this is the path. Okay, I'm going to define this, save this. So this is the path where the file is located. Now this section is done and dusted. Next I'm going to create a new project. So first of all, I will go in the designer section. In the project section, I will create a new project. So from here I'm going to create a new project. I will call it dwh underscore project. So let's say this is the name of project. Okay, so inside this project I have this mapping. I will create a new mapping. I will create packages, reusable mappings, procedures. I will create different procedures, variables. Then we have sequence, user functions. We have different knowledge modules. Okay, so we will discuss all these concepts. So first of all, in this particular example, I'm going to create a new mapping. So I will go in the mapping section. Then I will right click, new mapping. So first mapping, I will name it first underscore mapping. Uncheck this option. If this option is checked, uncheck this option, first mapping. So this is going to be your first mapping. So the first mapping is created. Save this mapping. So now I'm going to do, I'm going to create a model first. Okay, so the model which I'm going to create, I'm going to add these models here inside the mapping. So first I need to create a model. So what is the purpose of creating a model? So model is something that contains the metadata. New model. Okay, so I will call it source underscore file. Okay, product underscore file. So first I'm going to create a model for this. Okay, for this file. Technology, I'm going to select file. Logical schema, I'm going to select this one which I've created. Reverse engineer, I'm not going to do anything here. Okay, context is production. Okay, save this. So this has been created. Next, after that, I'm going to right click and then I'm going to create new data store. So right click. Okay, so data store type is table. So since we are going to read data from my local directory, we are reading a file. So data store type, I'm going to select the table. Source underscore file underscore ds. ds stands for data store. Okay, this is going to be the name. Here I'm going to select the file, exact file name which I'm going to read. Okay, so this is the file which I'm going to read. Open. So I'm mentioning the file name which I'm going to read. Okay, file format delimited. Okay, so the first line is the header line. So first line is the header line. Record separator MS-DOS. Okay, field separator, select the other option. If it is comma separated, so I'm going to mention comma here. Okay, attributes, save this first, save first. Attributes, so using the process of reverse engineering, what I'm going to do, I'm going to import the metadata of this particular file. So what is metadata? Metadata is information about the data, So what is metadata for this file? So metadata is the attributes, product ID, name, country, city, sales, quantity, discount, profits. This is metadata. Attributes, constraints, keys, these are metadata. Okay, so what we are going to do with the help of this process, reverse engineering, we are going to import the metadata. Let's reverse engineer the process. Okay, look, we are going to import the attributes. All attributes have been imported. These are the attributes of this particular file, source underscore CSV, and these are the types of these attributes. Length. Okay, now save this. It is already saved. Okay, now save all, close this. So the source side is done and dusted. Now I need to create a model for my target side. So I will create new model. So model is a place where metadata is stored. This is metadata. Now I need to show you the metadata. Look, attributes, constraints, these are information about data. Okay, we name it metadata, we call it metadata. Now I need to create the model for my target. Okay, target system. So the name of the name of model will be trg underscore product. Okay, technology, this time around I'm going to use the Oracle technology, and target underscore product underscore ls is the logical schema. Reverse engineer, context is production. Okay, mask, I'm going to select trg, then the ampersand, remove this. Okay, select reverse engineering. Okay, select all. Okay, table has been selected. Now click reverse engineer. So with the help of this process, I'm going to import the metadata of this table, this particular table. Metadata is the attributes, constraints, etc. So this is metadata. Look, metadata has been imported. Now I need to show you. Look, all attributes have been imported. Target underscore product. Now let me check the attributes. These are the attributes. Right now there is no constraint. Okay, if there is a constraint on this table, it is going to show me here. Okay, now this has been configured. Save all. I need to close this. So now I need to drag my source and target models here in the mapping. So how I'm going to drag it in the mapping? I'm going to select this and then drag it here. Okay, so this is going to be my source, and this one is going to be my target table, target underscore product. Okay, this has been added. In between source and target, I am going to add an expression. So since we are going to perform some transformation on the data, so using this expression component, I am going to transform my data. So now I need to connect this with this expression. Okay, match option by name, by position, or ignore case. So I'm going to select the match option by name. So product ID is going to map with product ID. All values will come as it is. Okay, now here I'm going to map it with this product by name. Okay, by name, product ID is going to map with product ID, product name is going to map with product name. Okay, let me just expand this. Okay, product name, product ID, product name, country. Okay, country, I need to map it with country. Fine. City, I need to map with city. Sales, fine. Quantity, discount, profit. Now again check. Mapped, city, quantity, discount, profit, all okay. Save your first mapping. So this is your target table. So what we are going to do, so this is my source file which I'm going to read. I've already imported the metadata of this file. Okay, now first of all I need to convert the product name to uppercase. So what we are going to do, we are going to click product name, and in the expression section I will click this expression advanced editor. I will click, I will write upper, then I will close the bracket. So these are different functions that you can use if you want to use it. Aggregate function, these are aggregate functions. Different keywords that you can use, these are math functions. Okay, these are different operators. Global functions, ODI reference functions. Okay, now the field is source dot product underscore name is the field. Apply and OK. So this will be converted to uppercase. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to we have some blank values here in the city field. So let me just click this option. I will use the NVL function. NVL, then the bracket, comma, then n/a. So if there is some blank value, if there is blank value, replace it with n/a. Okay, so this is going to, blank values will be replaced with n/a. Apply, click OK. Now next I'm going to look at this field, country. Edit. Okay, I'm going to use the case statement here. Country. So what we are going to do with country field, we want country field to be represented in the form of abbreviation. For United States, we want USA. For United Kingdom, we want UK. Okay, so I will write case statement here. Case when source.country, when source.country is United States equal to United States, then USA, return USA value. When United Kingdom, then UK, else AUS, end case statement. So this is how you're going to end the case statement. Okay, this is my case statement. Apply, click OK. Save this. For save side, I'm going to click this. I'm going to perform the commit operation. Okay, now so next I'm going to execute my mapping which I have created. So in order to execute the mapping, you have to click this run button. Okay, so now click run. Context, I will select the production. Since I have created this context production, mapping is physical, agent is no agent. So right now I haven't configured any other agent. So click OK. Session started, click OK. So in order to see the logs, you will go to the operator section, refresh, and you have got an error. The process is not executed successfully. It is giving me an error. So now I need to look at what is an error. So you will go insert new rows. Okay, number of inserts zeros. I need to look at the exact error. Quoted string not properly terminated. So let me just look at my expression editor. So product name, okay, it is converted to uppercase. I don't think there is an issue here. Country, I need to look at this. It is okay. Next, I'm going to look at the city field. Okay, there is an error. So comma, I will write comma. Then here I'm going to mention the single quote. Now save this. Okay. Now I'm going to execute the process. Okay, where is first mapping? I'm going to execute this process. Click run, click OK. Session started. Now again I'm going to look at the logs here. This time around, the process is executed successfully. So these are the logs of my process, of my mapping. Now I need to look at my table, target table. So look, data has been inserted. Country has been converted to the country has been represented in the form of abbreviation: USA for United States, AUS for Australia, UK for United Kingdom. Product name has been converted to uppercase. Look, null values or blank values have been replaced with n/a. Okay, so the process has been transformed. Now next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my logs. This one, insert. Where is the insert operation? So this is the insert operation. This is my complete code. I need to look at my complete code, which is generated by ODI. Definition. So this is my definition. Number of inserts 12. Number of rows, total number of rows are 12. Number of rows inserted, total number of rows inserted 12. Okay, now connection, these are connection details. Okay, code, this is the complete code. Insert into target table. Okay, this is the complete query generated by ODI. So hope you understood the process. Thank you so much and have a great learning.